Are you really living or just existing? There comes a moment in life when you stop and ask yourself, is this it? Is this how your life was supposed to be? Waking up tired, feeling overwhelmed, going through the motions, surrounded by noise, but feeling empty. If you've ever laid in bed at night wondering why you feel so lost, this message is for you. 2. Chaos around you. It starts inside. We try to fix everything outside, our jobs, our relationships, our routines. But the truth is that if your mind is a storm, your life will be too. Your outer chaos is just a mirror of your inner confusion, and nothing will ever feel right until you bring order to your thoughts. You can't clean the world around you with a mind full of dust. 3. The world lied to you. They told you success means more money, more stuff, more likes, more approval. But no one taught you how to feel peace when you're alone, how to fall asleep without overthinking, how to wake up excited, not anxious. And now, even when you have everything, you still feel like something's missing because no one ever told you a beautiful life starts with a clear mind. 4. You're not broken. You're just disconnected. You keep trying to be productive, to get your life together, to look like you've got it all figured out. But deep down, you feel tired, uninspired, like you're losing pieces of yourself. Let me tell you something no one else will. You're not broken. You've just been living disconnected from who you really are. It's not your fault, but it is your responsibility to change. 5. You don't need another to-do list. You need to reconnect with yourself, to slow down, to breathe, to feel again. Because sometimes healing doesn't start with action. It starts with awareness, with finally asking yourself, what am I holding on to? What am I avoiding? What is my mind screaming that I keep ignoring? 6. Imagine a different life. Imagine waking up with clarity, knowing what matters, feeling proud of the person you're becoming. Imagine looking around and seeing your life as a reflection of peace, not chaos. That version of you exists, but you need to choose it, not tomorrow, now. 7. The first step is simple. Get honest. Grab a piece of paper, write down 7 areas of your life: career, personal growth, health, spirituality, relationships, finances, emotional well-being. Now rate each one from 0 to 10. Don't lie to yourself. Don't sugarcoat it. Let the numbers show you the truth. Then ask, what's draining me here? What am I pretending is fine when it's not? What's one small change I can make today? 8. You've been carrying too much for too long. Old emotions, unspoken words, dreams you buried to survive. But you were not born to live in survival mode. You are not here just to pay bills, please others, and disappear quietly. You are here to create, to heal, to love, to rise. But first, you must stop running from yourself. 9. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. You keep saying, I'll change when I have time, when I feel better, when things calm down. But what if that moment never comes? Your future isn't waiting. It's being shaped right now by every small decision you make. And the only real question is, are you choosing growth or are you choosing comfort? 10. You don't need to do it all. Just one change, just one shift, just one honest conversation with yourself. You don't need to fix everything overnight, but you do need to start. Start by cleaning your space, writing your thoughts, saying no to what drains you, saying yes to what makes you feel alive. 11. Your environment speaks. Listen, is your home messy? Your phone full of notifications? Your calendar packed with things you don't even enjoy? That's your inner self asking for help. Declutter, simplify, create space for peace. Because when you organize your environment, you quiet the noise in your mind. 12. The body is the Foundation want mental clarity. Take care of the body, rest, move, eat real food, go outside. This isn't about being fit. It's about being well enough to carry your dreams. 13. Your mind is your real home. You live in your mind more than anywhere else, so clean it, protect it, upgrade it, because when your thoughts change, your life changes with them. 14. This is your moment. You're not watching this by accident. There's something in you that's tired of the noise, tired of pretending, tired of surviving. So let this be the moment you take back control. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to begin. 15. Tonight, do this for you. Before you go to sleep, turn off your phone, get quiet, grab a pen, divide your life into areas, be brutally honest about what's not working, and choose one thing to change tomorrow. Not everything, just one thing. That's how real change begins. Final words. You don't need a perfect plan. You need courage. You need action. You need a deep, unstoppable decision to no longer abandon yourself. Your future self is waiting for you, stronger, calmer, clearer, happier. But to meet them, you need to start walking now. Organize your mind, and your life will follow. Start today, before another day ends, feeling empty. If this touched you, don't keep it inside, like this video. Subscribe to Mental Upgrade and hit the bell, because we're just getting started. Here, we speak the truth no one else will. For those who are done surviving and finally ready to live, if this message touched something inside you, don't let it end here. Like this video. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And most of all, subscribe to Mental Upgrade. Because here, we go deep. We speak truth. We break cycles. We grow together. Your transformation starts with one step, and that next step might just be one click away.